Hello, in this video we'll be looking at past questions in SSC and Jamb. Question 1. The difference between the trading account and manufacturing account is that while the manufacturing account A has no period, the trading account has. B. Does not consider the cost of goods involved while trading account does. C. Is concerned with the cost of production while the trading account is not. D. Is not concerned with the cost of production while trading account is. The correct answer is option C, because the manufacturing account is concerned with the cost of production. Question 2. In the manufacturing account, the total cost of production purchase is equivalent to A. Purchases, B. Sales, C. Cost of goods sold, D. Cost of raw materials. The correct answer is A. In manufacturing account, the total cost of goods is equivalent to purchases. Question 3. Given that direct material is 10,000 naira, direct labor is 5,000 naira, direct expenses 2,000 naira, factory overhead 4,000 naira. What is the cost of production? A. 20,000 naira, B. 17,000 naira, C. 18,000 naira, D. 11,000 naira. The correct answer is option B, which is 17,000 naira. If you had your direct materials plus your direct labor and your direct expenses, this gives you your cost of production. So that is 70,000 naira. Question number 4. Emeka's manufacturing company account has the following: direct materials 5,000 naira, direct labor 4,500 naira, direct expenses 3,000 naira, factory overhead 2,500 naira, selling and distribution 1,500 naira. Calculate the cost of production. Of course, you know that the cost of production is every direct material. That means everything you can trace to a particular production unit. So that means you are going to take your direct materials, direct labor, and direct expenses. Now, the options: option A is 16,500, option B is 15,000 naira, option C is 14,000 naira, and option C is 12,500 naira. Now, if you had your direct materials, which is 5,000 naira, plus your direct labor, which is 4,500 naira, and your direct expenses, which is 3,000 naira, that gives you 12,500 naira, which is option D, which is the correct answer. That's all for manufacturing accounts. Please look out for our advisory to help you prepare better for your coming exams in Waec or Jamb.